Boys and girls, how many of you wear glasses? I wear reading glasses, and some of you wear glasses to correct if you're nearsighted or farsighted. Today, I'm going to suggest to you that as we move into our next unit of writing, poetry writing, all of us are going to have to put on special glasses. Poets' glasses. Poets see things through a different lens. What does that mean? It means they don't just see with their eyes. Poets see things with their heart, with their mind. Poets think about how things resemble each other, and poets think about things in unique, fresh ways. Let's look at an example. When I look at this pencil sharpener, I see a blue cylinder with a hole at the top that makes my pencil sharp. However, when poet Zoe Ryder White saw the pencil sharpener, this is what she wrote. I think there are 100 bees inside the pencil sharpener, and they buzz and buzz and buzz until my point is sharp. Wow, I did not see that at all. I think her description is incredible. I certainly did not think about bees buzzing. So, how did Zoe get that perspective? Well, she thought about the sound that a pencil sharpener makes. And that sound, that whirring sound, reminded her of bees. And then in her imagination, she saw bees down in that hole chewing away at her pencil lead. Do you see what I mean about poets seeing the world a little bit differently and using a different lens to look at things? Let's try another one. A regular pair of adult scissors. I use these to cut things like the shapes we cut out in math. But what more could these be? Well, if I change the position, maybe it could be a fish swimming through the water, and this is its eye. Or maybe if I held them upright and looked at the handle, that could be a butterfly opening and closing its wings. Or what about if I held them this way and chomp, chomp? It could be maybe a shark going through the water, getting ready to chomp on something. We're going to be looking at some items closely and thinking about those items through a poet's lens. In my classroom today, each student is going to get a little cup of treasures, and you're going to examine those treasures and think about, how could I describe these? How could I put words down that remind me of what these could be? Not necessarily what they are, but what they might be. Your teacher may do that, or she may have a better idea today. What I want you to think about, the point of this lesson, is that to write poetry, you have to do some thinking first. You have to think about looking at the world a little bit differently long before you put your pencil to paper. So today we're going to try to look at these objects from nature and think about them in new ways.